This is one of my favourite knots. It's a middleman's knot because it's got a three-way pull on it. So cross, cross, then take this loop here, underneath or over the top, doesn't really matter, and then back through the main hole. So you've got two loops there, and all you're going to do is pull each strand separately. And as I say, it's a middleman's loop, so the same amount of tension you can put on here won't affect the knot at all. That won't affect the knot at all. That won't affect the knot at all. So these two lines here are still able to take a massive amount of force, but so is this middleman's knot. It's called Alpine butterfly. Thank you very much.